and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about hair care and how I take care of this long mane I have. And also don't mind my sweatiness because I just got back from the gym. So for my hair, I do naturally have really thick, coarse hair. So my hair actually takes a really long time to grow. The last time I cut my hair, it was all the way up to my shoulders, and that was like 5 years ago. And it's only grown like about this much. My hair looks like that. It's about like all the way to my back. I used to dye all of my hair like a lot, so it got really damaged throughout all the years that I've been dyeing it. I do still dye it here and there, but mainly on the roots because I do have white hair. No, I'm not stressed. No, I'm not really that old. It is hereditary. I've always been really self-conscious about it, so that's why I like to dye my roots pretty often. And no, this is not my natural waves. My hair is actually like just kind of straight. So for the shampoo and conditioner, I use the Biosilk Silk Therapy for the shampoo, Hydrating Therapy for the conditioner. So far I really do like this pair, and it's been working well with my hair. My hair has shed less than it used to by using all of these products. The next thing I use in the shower is the My Identity by Guy Tang, and this is a collagen repair, so it seals your cuticles and it softens your hair. Just like your face needs like mask and moisturizer and all that stuff, your hair also needs it too. So I usually use this like once a week, and then after I shampoo it, I like to spray it all over my hair, leave it in for like 5 minutes or so, rinse it out, and then continue on with my conditioner. So after I am done showering, the hairbrush I use is a paddle brush, and this is by Kirsten. And after I brush my hair, I like to use the Redken Pillow Proof Blow Dry, and this is actually like an express primer, and it saves time blow drying your hair. Like my hair takes like an hour to dry. Well, not really, but like probably 30 minutes. I found that using this saves my time, like cuts it in half even more. I have no idea how. Some kind of like technology they use in here. It also comes with a heat protectant in there so that it doesn't damage your hair when you're blow drying it. After I'm done spritzing my hair with this, I go with my leave-in conditioner. I do wash my hair every other day. I use these items every other day pretty much. Conditions and hydrates hair and skin. It provides volume and body, controls and defines curls, reconditions dry, damaged hair and skin, strengthens the hair, revives dull, lifeless hair and skin, and smooths the cuticle, controls frizz and flyaways, prevents split ends, stop hair breakage, seals the hair, protects hair color from fading. That's a lot. Protects hair and skin for environmental damage, thermal protector for blow drying, thermal protection for flattened curling iron, leaves hair and skin soft and silky, adds incredible shine. And I do agree with all of these things. I don't usually put in my root because my roots get really oily fast, so I usually just put them all over my end. Alright, that is it for my hair care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!